What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God.
Rope God. Rope God.
Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with a story time, and I know I have not came up with a story time in a minute. I'm like, bro, where your story times at, bro? Where's it at? I know I have to go hard on the waves real fast, you feel me? A lot of you guys recommend a lot of things, so I try to, do everything I can to satisfy you guys, equally. So I figure why not do this video right here, a story time. And this story time right here, you guys always, asking me this all the time, bro. What made you taking waving serious? What made you take waving serious? You feel me? Because y'all know I've been doing it for a long time. I guess that's the reason why you guys asked that. And I do have dope waves, so a lot of you guys asked that. So that instantly, damn, what the heck is that? That instantly makes me think like, I'm gonna come up with a story time like this. Not only that, what made me take waving seriously, but waving changed my life, because it seriously changed my life. Like, you feel me? So y'all know my story times be lit, it be really true, 100% true. You know what I'm saying? It don't just be regular story times, it be serious shit. You feel me? So I'm about to let you guys know exactly why it changed my life. Like totally, like changing my life around. I'm gonna explain to y'all real briefly, alright? So keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. So wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave. I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
This ain't a comfortable spot. I mean, it's bad comfortable, but I ain't got no back, no back support or nothing, man. This shit crazy. Anyways, man. So where I'm gonna start at, man? How did waving change my life? All right, so y'all know if y'all don't know, man, I came from the mud, not having nothing, bro. You feel me? Nothing. You feel me? Like, I always had fly stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like shoes and fly clothes or whatnot. But most of the clothes and stuff I had, and the shoes and stuff I had, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I stole that. Like, I used to steal it back in the days, like, and I mean like around from 2010 to like 2014. Around them times, that's when I was like really in the streets a lot. You know what I'm saying? I said it ended up 2013 because I really stopped there because I had my son and stuff. Anyways, let's start from the bottom. So around 2010, y'all know, I just started, I really didn't have nothing, man. I used to just like slang, you feel me? And I really not only did I slung, it's like that, I was smart, street smart. So, I made sure that I wasn't out, you know what I'm saying, and in the public. I was out in the public, but I wasn't like, my stuff, my sales and stuff, and the clientele and all that, we'd meet up. You know what I'm saying? I never have them like come to the house or nothing like that. You feel me? I was real slick with my stuff. Anyways, that's that. So not only that wasn't my only, you feel me, financial income. You feel me? It's doing that. My financial income was from females, bro. Like, I had hella hoes, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I had girls that liked me. You feel me? So I always had places to go. I always had, females that give me bread, females that let me drive their cars. So, that's why I was so happy when I got my whip, because I never owned my own car, bro, ever. A brand new car. You know what I'm saying? I always got like buckets, used bucket, you feel me, just to get around from place to place, whatever. It was nothing that was stunning. It was nothing I never thought I'd get my dream car. I knew I would, but not this soon. You know what I'm saying? So that's a blessing right there. But yeah, I was always in the streets. I was always doing my little thing. That was the only income I had from doing that. And before that, yeah, I had jobs and stuff. Like during high school, I had a job and all that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm talking about from 2010, 2014. No, in the end of 2013, I got another job, a warehouse job. But y'all know I stopped with the warehouse job or whatever, because that's when I made that video. Then you guys know, PB Gang, tune in. I'm about to really start taking this YouTube stuff serious. If you really support me, watch the video. You feel me? Y'all remember that video? It's right here. Like I told y'all, if y'all really support me, watch the video. Because I told y'all, I'm about to really start taking this YouTube stuff serious. I'm about to follow my dream. Because my dream, if you guys didn't know, is to become a you know, a popular, famous YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm still doing now. That's why I come up with these videos, you know, to help you guys out and to, you know, grow more, you know? But what made me take waving seriously, bro, is my when I got shot in 2012, you know, I did story time on that too. When I got shot in 2012, you know, you would think that it really changed me, you know, but it didn't really change me as much. It changed me as far as like not being in the streets as a lot more, but it didn't change me a lot though, you know what I'm saying? Once I had my son in 2013, that's when it changed me. So anyways, once I had got shot or whatever, I know I was on crutches for a long time. So what motivated me to like do something with my hair, because I kept getting haircuts. And y'all know before, I used to always still, you feel me, at the dippers, like, but I wasn't waving like that. I wasn't like connections on point, forks, counting forks. It was none of that, you feel me? But when I had got shot, I was on crutches for a while, you know what I'm saying? I know I was like, for like 2 months. So I was always just getting a haircut and brushing my hair and ragging up because I had really nothing to do. You know, I wasn't stood in the streets on crutches. I was a little bit, I go to homie's house and stuff like that, but I wasn't like out there like that because, you know, I got shot, you feel me? But when I do get all like that, I have my thing, you feel me? Because at that time, I had to get my little thing, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, I had to get my thing, call my pops, he gave me the thing, boom. I had it, just in case, you feel me? Because I wasn't finna let nobody gun me down again. You wasn't going down, they getting back, you feel me? So after that or whatever, around that time, whatever, I was brushing a lot. And I started thinking about it. Like I wasn't even taking it serious then. I just wanted like regular waves. So then after a while, whatever, I said, fuck it. You know, like I said, I had a stud homegirl, you know what I'm saying? She was waving too. She sent me pictures like, bro, I'm catching up. I'm like, if y'all know what a stud is, it's pretty much you know, a gay girl, you know what I'm saying? She dressed like a dude, you know what I'm saying? But she's solid, that was my homegirl. She had some dippers, she was catching up, bro. I promise you, y'all know waving is competition. She was catching up. I said, forget that, man. I started Googling stuff, you know what I'm saying? Coming across, you know, YouTubers and watching videos and trying to figure stuff out. And that's when I started taking this serious, you know? And I never knew that it would change my life, like it would slow me down. But it showed it slowed me down in the streets because I started like really liking it. Instead of becoming a hobby, it became like my lifestyle. You feel me? It wasn't just a hobby now, it was a lifestyle. Like it kept me in the house, kept me solid. You know what I'm saying? My girl be getting mad because I was always in the mirror. Like, you in the mirror more than me. I'm like, shut up. So what? Now you gonna see. So, you know, it all pays off, but that's the reason why I really like changed my life. You know, it changed my life. Waving changed my life because it kept me out the streets. It kept me doing things positive, you know. And then I had my son, you know, he really like in 2013, you know, November 15, 2013, I had my son, my first biological son. And that really, Deucey, y'all know Deucey? That really changed my life. Like it made me as a better person. Like I told myself, you know, you got kids now, not only that you gotta watch out for yourself, you gotta watch out for, you got somebody else to live for, you know, you got your kids to live for now, you got a son to live for. So that really changed me right there and made me like really go hard and just, you know, I always had a job or whatever. Like I said, I didn't always have a job, I'm tripping. Like I said, like around that time I had my son, I did have a job though, because I was already planning on being out the streets. So I had a job, you know, I was working at the warehouse, a warehouse job. It was making pretty good money, but then when I started doing YouTube and I started making money on YouTube, it was, you know, and then with the real products and all that, and then doing training too. You know, training, you know what I'm saying? Like I do training, fitness training, all them things, like income was coming in every month was better than, it was making way more than, you know, the side job I had, my main job, but it became my side job at the time because I started going hard on YouTube. But I was missing days going to work, so I told him I'll just put in like what is it called? 10-day whatever thing. I just let them know I'm about to leave. You feel me? Like, so I left on proper, you know, on good terms with them and all that. And I started doing the YouTube, taking it real serious. That's why you guys see I'm doing this every day. Because, you know, I love helping you guys out, and not only do I love helping you guys out, I'm getting money doing it, you know what I'm saying? To feed my family, to survive. You know, I always learn, if you really want something, go for it. So if anything, you want anything in life, bro, whatever it is, it doesn't matter what it is in life, bro. Go hard for it. You know, it's not gonna come overnight, you know. A dream is not gonna happen. A dream is gonna happen overnight, that's it. But if you want it to come true, you gotta be patient. and be consistent with it. It's gonna come true for sure. You know, I still ain't really like I still haven't really lived my dreams yet. Yeah, I got my dream car or whatever, but you know, that's just a step. That's only a step down here to get up. You know what I mean? So that's the first step. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep grinding and doing what I'm doing. But I love doing videos like these because it let y'all know more about me and more about my life. And I'm comfortable to let you guys know about my life and tell y'all more about me because I know you guys like that. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys. You know, I feel like I know you guys like a lot. You know, I got a good bond, a good relationship with you guys enough to tell you guys that and to explain to you guys, you know, let you guys know more about my life. So I'm gonna start doing more story times. You know I got a lot of, bro. I got story times everywhere, bro. I got hella story time. I've been through a lot in my life, bro. Like, you know, I've been through a whole lot. You know, I lost my mama when I was 15. Lost my sister when I was 10. You feel me? Like that shit really gets to you. You feel me? I mean, I had a homie that lost his mama when like a year before my mom passed away, and I was always thinking like, dang, I don't know what I'd do if I lost my mama. And she passed away, and it was like, whew, wow. So maybe I'll do a story time on that and explain to you guys how and all this stuff. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the story time, man. That's like I said, if y'all want anything in life, keep grinding for that shit. You gonna get it, bro. You gonna get it. But all in all, waving changed my life. It changed my life because I'm able to do stuff like this for you guys. I'm able to feed my children. You know what I'm saying? I'm able to stay out the streets. You know, I'm able to ride my nice car. You know what I'm saying? I'm able to, you know, provide for my family. You know what I'm saying? That's why it changed my life, bro. If I wasn't for waving, fitness too. Because, you know, when I started getting into fitness, it also, you know, got me more healthier. You know what I'm saying? It also, I also started getting money doing it because I train and stuff too, you know, on the side and stuff. So everything, all in all, changed my life. But waving was a big part of my life. It still is, and I'm gonna keep on doing it. That's why I ain't stopped yet. Y'all see, man. I could easily be like, oh, y'all, I got enough confidence in my supporters and PB gang that I could just be like, all right, y'all, bro, I'm gonna grow my hair out in about a month, like. Next year, I got you. I promise I'll be back. I got enough support that I feel like you guys are still watching me because, you know, we got a relationship. You feel me? That's how confident I am into my family, bro. Real talk, to PB gang. That's how confident I am with y'all. I feel like even if I was like, all right, bro, a month, next month I'm just grow my hair out, bro. No more waves for a whole year, which I'm not. But I'm saying if I was to do that, I feel like you guys really was still watching me. Real talk. Anyways, man, that's it for the story time. I'm talking a lot, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. Like I said, I want you guys to know more about me, and I'm gonna keep on letting you guys know more about me, man. With that being said, I love y'all. PB gang for life. Y'all know what it is, man. And yeah, I'm out of here, man.